Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox Studio not opening. First, always check your internet connection. A stable network is crucial. Next, a simple computer restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Make sure your Roblox Studio is updated to the newest version, as outdated software can cause issues. Finally, confirm your computer meets the minimum system requirements for smooth operation. If basic steps don't work, try clearing Roblox Studio's cache. These temporary files can sometimes become corrupted, preventing the program from launching. A complete reinstallation is another powerful solution. Uninstall it fully, then download and install a fresh copy. Also, temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall might help, as they can sometimes block the application. Always try running it as an administrator too. System-level issues can also prevent Roblox Studio from opening. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers are a common culprit. Check for any other programs running in the background that might conflict with Studio. Keeping your operating system fully updated is also vital for compatibility and performance. Lastly, if you use a virtual private network, try disabling it temporarily to see if it interferes. For persistent problems, delve into advanced troubleshooting. Examine Roblox Studio's log files. They often contain specific error codes that can guide your fix. Adjusting the compatibility settings for the Studio executable might also resolve launch issues. A system file checker scan can repair corrupted Windows files. If all else fails, gather all your details and contact Roblox support for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.